In this Paracourse lesson, we want to model a parametric polar coordinate, and as you can see here, we can define a rotation, which I will explain in this tutorial, and rotate the polar coordination in the XY plane. We can also use a graph to control that, which we will explain in this tutorial. A Z coordinate, which is like this, and we can also control the radius at the start and the end, which is the control of the spiral, and also the thickness. Okay, by using graphs we can also give more control for the thickness, and also this for the thickness. You can see that we can control that, and we will explain completely how we can use the dendro plugin to produce a smooth transition of the thickness and produce a voxelized spiral in Grasshopper.